Alright guys, sorry if it's a little windy, but today me and Papa's going squirrel hunting.
Last day of the season.
Yeah, last day of the season for us. Technically tomorrow's the last day, but we ain't hunting tomorrow, so it's really windy though, so maybe y'all can hear us, but we'll catch y'all when we get in there. Alright guys, so we're set up where we put out some cracked corn for turkeys, so maybe they'll come over here, but if they're not here in a minute, we're gonna stand up and walk back to the green field and then walk around it, the edge of it, so we'll catch y'all then. Alright guys, we're moving locations. We're going to the green field and we're gonna walk the edge, and that's how we did it last time, and we killed like 3. That video will be linked in the description if y'all wanna go watch it. So we'll catch y'all when we get over there. Alright guys, so I just got back in the car. We're gonna drive over here to the green field, then we're gonna get out and walk the edge, so we'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright guys, so we just got over here. Gonna walk that edge over there, and it is windy and cold, so they might not be moving, but we're gonna attempt it. So we'll catch y'all in a minute.
Alright, here we go. Turned off cool this afternoon and very windy. But we're gonna give her a shot. Yeah, he's leading us right through a briar patch.
I sure am, ain't I? This ain't good.
But it's not very far, so we'll make it through. He thinks he hears something over in there, in that area over there. Try as it is, though, it's going to be impossible.
Right there. Going up the tree, going up the tree.
He's got visual contact of a squirrel. He's loading the gun.
I don't see it anymore. It's right on that tree. I might see it, but I can't tell if that's it or not.
Just wait till it moves.
Did you see it though? I knew I heard something.
Try to get up to that tree right there. Easy.
Watch at the top of that tree. I ain't got a clear shot on him. Oh, there he is. Ah. Oh, there he goes. Oh, there he goes. Guys, the gun is still unsafe. The gun is still unsafe. Alright guys, so the squirrel was sitting right up here, and when I got right over there to take the shot, he jumped down and ran somewhere over here, but we're right on the property line, so.
We'll sit here and wait a little bit.
Psst. What I thought I saw was the squirrel. He was sitting right here. I couldn't tell if it was him or not until I got right where I was about to shoot him, and then he took off.
Right. Let's just sit to that big tree and see if he'll move later. It's a long way.
I can't right here. He's in that big tree.
That's way too far, Tanner.
What?
That big tree is way too far.
You don't remember last time?
That wasn't that far though. That's 50 yards.
I can
Now,
hit
if
him.
you had a turkey load in there, it would probably reach, but not that far.
He's in this. Alright guys, so we've set up where we saw a squirrel the other day. I don't know if y'all can see it, but up at the top of that tree's a nest. So we're hoping he'll come in, but that other one got away across the property line. So, hey, we'll see that, but we'll catch y'all in a minute. Recording.
Yeah, I'm recording. Like you got him. Put another shell in, put another shell in.
Where's it? Oh my goodness. He's behind a tree.
Wait on him, wait on him.
You think I need to get closer?
He might come this way. He getting figured out where the shot came from.
I see him in the top of the tree, but
I do too.
I don't know if I can hit
I don't know
that.
if I've got him on video or not, but I can see him. He's coming back down.
I'm gonna stand up.
No, don't stand up. Oh, boy.
No.
Missed again. No, he fell.
I scoped myself on the first time. The scope came back and hit me.
All right, that got your last squirrel of the year.
Last squirrel of the year.
I don't think I got him. I don't know if I got him on film running or falling, either one. I was videoing that way. All right, go up there and get him.
Oh my goodness. Well guys, I scoped myself. Gun is empty. Is he in this tree or this tree? I think he was in this tree, except I don't really know. Where's he at? Oh, right here he is. I'm blind.
Right there on the ground. He's dead, not he's up back.
You want me to poke him with a gun?
You got another shell in there?
No. I don't. You want me to put another one in there?
Yeah, just in case.
You want it in the chamber?
Yeah. I don't know if he's stunned. It looks like his eyes open.
His eyes are open.
Alright then.
Safety is off. Well, I don't know why, but this gun never wants to. There we go. Well,
Well, let me poke him with a stick.
I'm back. Alright, guys, we confirmed he is dead. So.
Just to be on the safe side, we're going to let the shooter pick him up.
Oh, okay.
If he bites anybody, that's the one he ought to bite.
Better not bite me.
He's dead. Get that squirrel.
I'm making sure he ain't gonna bite me. Okay, he ain't
He
gonna
ain't
bite
gonna
me.
bite you.
He's dead.
He's dead.
Big old tail ain't very strong.
The person holding him's not very strong.
No, it's the tail. Definitely the tail. He's a big old squirrel.
Yeah, he is a good sized squirrel. That's a good eating size.
You know the next part, right?
For you, not for me. All right, you ready to call it a season?
Yeah, I guess so.
All right. You want to say anything to your viewers?
Alright, guys, we'll catch y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, there'll be another video in one of the corners where we killed like 3 squirrels. Did we kill 3 in the other one? Or
2, I think.
Well, that one we killed 2 in, but we got a good sized squirrel. So,
Yeah.
where'd I hit him at? Oh, right in the lung.
How can you tell?
I'm just so good.
All
All right, thanks for watching. Catch y'all later.